Hey coffee enthusiasts! Ever wondered why your coffee doesn't taste like the cafes? Let's get to the bottom of it with a little grind science. What's up coffee lovers? Welcome to Grind Size Smackdown. You might not think about it, but the size of your coffee grind can make or break your brew. Why, you ask? It's all about surface area. The finer the grind, the more surface area is exposed to water, which means more flavor is extracted fast. But too fast can mean bitter coffee. Yikes! On the flip side, a coarse grind lets water flow slowly, giving you a smooth, rich flavor, especially perfect for your French press. And if you're reaching for that vibrant espresso shot, remember, a fine grind is your best friend to get that intense flavor. Now, you might be tempted by pre-ground coffee for its convenience, but trust me, grinding your own beans, it's a game changer for freshness and taste. So next time you're brewing, remember, the grind size isn't just a detail, it's the key to your coffee paradise. Level up your coffee game. Check out our link to Amazon for the best coffee grinders available today and share your favorite brewing method in the comments.